Hello everyone! Today I will show you how I have used GodotGooglePlayBilling in my application Tatache. But first of all, you need a custom Android build, and it's really not easy to do. And I will let you do it alone because honestly I don't understand what I have done to make it happen. But once you get there, you can follow this video to learn a bit more about GodotGooglePlayBilling. So this is my application. That's the first scene that the user fires when it starts the application. And what it do in the script is it starts connection with the Godot Google Play billing. This is the line that starts the connection. And once the connection is started, this function onConnected fires. And on this function, you can check what the user has already bought to you. Like it's this line. You can say if purchases.SKU is equal to the name of the product you're selling. Well, you can do what in code is your item doing. Like if it's a skin, you activate the skin. For me, it's a premium, so I just say, okay, this user is a premium member. To add these items, it's simple. You just have to go in the Google Play console. You select your app, you go bottom left to product. It's in French, but I hope you understand. In-app product. And the name you have to enter is the ID of the product. It's not the name here, it's the ID. So here we can see I'm checking for it. And so it's easy for just checking if the user has already bought something to you. What is a bit more complicated is the payment process. We'll see it right now. So imagine the user just pushed the pay button. I'm starting this scene, I'm changing to this scene. And in this scene, what happened? Well, I'm starting another connection. It's this line that starts the connection. And like previously, it fires this function, onConnected. So I'm checking if the user has already bought the item that I want to sell him because I don't want to sell him twice. And without the user having to do anything for now, this go in 1 second, less than 1 second. I'm launching just after that the query SKU details. And I give him a list of the item I want to show the property to the user. Imagine you have diamonds, pieces, and skin. I will ask for the free item here, not just for test item SKU. And once this slide's done, once the server responds to my request, it fires this function in code on SKU details query completed. And each available SKU are the items that I've passed in the list. And I can check, well, some information about them. The list of information is here. I had some trouble to find it on Google, so I'm not sure this is the actual list of details because I'm only using in my application price and price currency code. But I think it's up to date. I'm not sure, but I think. And so this allows you to print to the user the items that you are offering him. And under each item, you can just add a button and on click, you will launch the real payment process. But up until here, the user have done nothing at all. It just have pushed the payment button here. Know that there's a list of items in front of the user. If you want to buy one, you will just call this function on purchase button pressed that is connected to the button. And this line will let the Android system take over the Godot application. What happens when it will push the button is the Android notification will open up and ask him for payment. And what I'm doing, but that is not the best to do, is I'm assuming that he will complete the purchase. So I'm giving him the premium membership. And I'm just checking afterward if there was an error, this function trigger, and I'm just deleting the premium membership from him. But I think what is best to do is not give him here and just wait for either this function or this function to trigger and give him at this moment the premium membership. But anyway, that's not really important because I'm checking on the first scene the user accessed if he is premium or not. So that's it. And if you have a consumable item, the process is a bit different, but I don't think it's really different because it's just how to say, the documentation explains it well at the bottom. But if you have any problem with it, just put a comment under the video and I will do my best to help you. That's it. I hope it helps you and have a great day. Bye.